Tourism's a bridge connecting nations, breaking down barriers across all creations. Cultural exchange, a powerful tool to foster understanding, make us cool. Tourism's impact, a force for good, economic growth understood, promoting peace and unity, a better world for you and me. Local communities benefit greatly. Tourism brings prosperity gladly. Sustainable practices, let's embrace. Protecting our planet, leave no trace. Tourism's impact, a force for good, economic growth understood, promoting peace and unity, a better world for you and me. Let's travel the world with open hearts, discovering new cultures, playing our parts, respecting traditions, embracing diversity, a global community, united and free. Tourism's impact, a force for good, economic growth understood, promoting peace and unity, a better world for you and me.